Good morning guys! Karon we are going for a walk diri sa Ili. So, hangin kaayo. Hangin as in. Dayon, diri sa pinakataas, mao ni siya ang view guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you ha. Kana siya. Lapad kaayo. That is the view. And then sa the right side, dito sa time pa kay mukatkat sa ako diri. Adjust lang. Kana. Mauna siya. Dagat. Actually, it's low tide. Pero nindot kay dire sa ile, ganahan jud ko dire mag-walk permit kay ang ilahang nice kay ang view. Ganahan kay sa dagat dire nila. Dayon ang landscape basta nindot gyud. So, permi gini mag-una si Manoy sa kuha. Anyway, yeah, golf course na in the left side. No, sorry, wala na golf course na unsa man ko. So, mao na magtanan-tan apod si Manoy din ha. So, hay, pertigid ka hangin aning adlaw oy hangin kaayo pero at least sani okay ra pero init tugnaw di ba combination ba di pares Pinas nga pag init tipong inita ang hangin so here it's a very nice view anyway so padayon ta unsa may nakita nimo diha what's that eh da ambot lang kung unsa to anyway I don't know what's that so kapuya pud mag voice over dugoy kay mahuman oy bitaw di ba nice kay ang view dire guys oh. Nindot kay ni siya dire gyud. Taas-taas pa ni among lapunon. Karon sa unahan na ay farmer nga nagkuan sila silang baka. Kining ga-inject, they're injecting their cows. So naa dire they are all in one bit and mama and the calves the mom and the calves inside here and then actually, this time saba kani sila. Unsaon man nga nag-voice over tawa na dunggan ang saba nila basta sige na sila inga kay tungod mo ni kay they are I think they are anxious or afraid or whatever kay injectionan sila. So healthy kay ilang cows diri sa Scotland guys. Oh, tanawa ra gud na. So they put in one bit and then in that area there you go and they let them in four at a times I think so they let them there in one bit actually it's a good idea this is the first time I saw this this is how they inject their cows so I don't know what kind of injection maybe vitamins or I don't know but that's what we've seen in here so we're just observing so inside there and then the last bit before they go out that's where they will be injected so they will be in the queue maglinya na sila maglinya so the next one pushing the bum there so diha ang injection before sila ipagawas and they cannot really wait to go out hi even us ibisag even human being we're afraid of injection I don't know who are not afraid of injection but yeah it's not easy so there you go these cows kani humanan ni sila
It's funny because
so
they are injecting the
nagyoyoyo
mama
na ko diri ang
cows
sa akong giyaw
and the
basta kay
babies
mo na
are
siya
safe. So they keep on making noise
na
because they
mga
don't
cows
want
sa
to
Scotland
go.
healthy sila healthy
And
nya
that's all there. They are
nagsigit-sigit ang
free.
kuan
They are
kana sila
finished
they are
na
happy because they are free
being
they've
injected.
done they're done so humana sila og bakuna o humana sila og injection they're done their injection
They're still noisy
so
because some of them will
mao
still,
na
their
ang
babies,
atong view
their calf
karon
is still there.
dayon ta
Yeah.
continue to walk continue
They said thank goodness I'm
super
finished
hangin
with
you
my
can see my
injection.
hair is blowing
Oh,
sunny and so mao na siya these are they're
they're
done with the
very healthy
injections
looking cow, no?
no they only injected the
Ay,
big ones the mama the calves
why
no
you say
the
that?
babies not injected they don't need it so We are nearly, actually, this is already in St. Monan's area. So from Ili to St. Monan we walk. So yeah, this is coastal walk. So we're just enjoying the sun in here, and David also taking video. Yeah, it's sunny, windy, low tide, but it's nice view. At least when it's low tide, you can see the view. You can see where the water been, and then you can see the big stones, mga dago ka mga stones, and it's very funny because some of them looks like an animal, the face of an animal right there. So that one, I don't know where he's going. He's going in there. Actually, there's a small, like an outlet. It's a small outlet for the water, just to. So there's a hole inside there. David went inside. It's not a big hole. It's just a small one. Actually, so mo ni siya ang, if it's low tide, no, you can see the beauty, more beauty. You can see plenty the big stones and the shapes of the stones, and how it's formed and how it's. So that's the cow there. They're free now. They're happy, enjoying eating na ang mga cows because they are free.
Farmer.
And that's the farmer there. Then kini, it looks like I'm in. Nice, the sun is so nice, and the dagat, the sea is so clear, is so clean. And this time I told him not to go in there because he might fall, but actually he did fell because he did not listen. So I was walking in the sand because I know it's hard to walk at the top in there because the corrosion of the soil. So even the fence, you can see that it's just so money. Kana din ha, diha gid siya nahulog. Gahi kay gulo pastilan. So I'm walking in the sea, in the beach, in the sand, because it's more safer. So while I'm enjoying here, he's walking in there, walking, walking, walking. David still at the, but he will go down anyway. So mao ni ang view diri guys sa St. Monans. Well, this is Eli area na kay we're going back naman. So there are so many walkers also that day. There's so many walkers that day. And this time David failed, I think. Yeah, so there are so many walkers, and in fact we met one. She's Thailander. We met her with her husband, and they said that the view is amazing here. Yeah, it is different in Scotland compared to England. It's nice. It's so relaxing here. Yeah, especially when the sun is out. Although it's windy, it's cold, but if the sun is out, there's no need to worry. As long as you have the right gear, wear a jacket or sweater just to keep you comfy, to make you comfy while walking. So it's actually sometimes when you're walking, you feel like, you think that it's tiring or what, but actually it's refreshing, especially in the sea, because you can smell fresh air. And then, don't you know guys that the sea air, it makes you sleep good, sleep better at night, because the salt air also is nice for you. So this is the, actually, that you can see it there, that's Ili. Yeah, you can see the houses in there. And in the left side, where is it, come on, you can see the lighthouse. That's the lighthouse there. And us going home na kay it's time to work soon. So mao ni siya ang view, pauli na ni ani. So sa left side, mga houses na siya, obviously. And these are all houses. This is in London Links area, guys. So mao ni siya ang London Links, posh area, mahal, expensive. Mahal ang mga balay there. That's the Old Manor Hotel in the left side. And as we go, Wala lang, chill, chill. So thank you guys for watching Dennis Maris journey, and thank you for being there always and for your support. Thank you, and hope you have a good day today and enjoy the rest of the day. While me, I'll be working later on because my work is from 3 to 7. So, hi, actually, golf course din siya, and left side guys, the left side is golf course. It's really a good day. We pick a good day to walk. You know, sometimes when we go out, it's sunny, but later on it will rain. So this time, pure sunny, pure sunny day. So we are lucky. We're lucky with the sun because it's seldom. In Scotland, the sun will show up very seldom. Not all the time. Pero enjoy lang gihapon. That's life. Wherever we go, we'll just enjoy our weather. So that's the bus, double-decker bus. And in this side, guys, sa right side, muna siya ang Black Kitty side. Asa naman to? No, we pass it, I think. Yeah, that's the right side there. That's Black Kitty side. And the left side is the golf course. Black Kitty side is the farm, fruit farm. They're selling fruits in there. So, mao na ni guys, hapit na gid na human in town, Kaloyan. So, sa left side mo siya golf course. Scooby Golf Course, and then going to live in na. This is the last part of London Links. Nice houses in here, big and nice houses. Sana all talaga. So thank you again guys for your support and for supporting me always. Salamat guys. Paraon about na mi paingon sa living. Diha. Left side going to Livin, right side going to Kupar, where my work is. Kana. That's the right side there going to Kupar where I work, and the left side going to Livin. And naname, paingon na gid mi sa amo ang area nearly in our house. Actually, cemetery on the left side is cemetery. Right side is a park. Latham Glen. It's another good walk in there. So another roundabout na po. Motorhomes, nice kayo motorhome. Bye.